Hello and good morning. How are you all, the students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine and enjoying at your home. I'm your maths teacher, Miss Gul, and today we will do the page number 12 and 13 of school workbook as a classwork and page number 14 as homework. Today we will learn about the concept of after, before and between numbers. What are the after numbers? After numbers is the forward counting. After numbers. This is the picture of a caterpillar. The caterpillar have the number 23, 24, 25, 26. Which number come after 26? Tell me. 27. Very good. The 27 number is always the greater than the previous number. 27 number is always greater than the previous number. In after numbers, is always the forward counting, and the 27 number is greater than the previous number. Before numbers are the backward counting. Before numbers में हम backward counting करते हैं. Before numbers. This is the picture of a caterpillar, and the caterpillar have the number 21, 20, 19, 18. Which number come before 18? 17. Good. Number 17 is always smaller than the previous number. Number 17 is smaller than the previous number. Between numbers are the numbers which are present in the middle of the two numbers. Between numbers वो होते हैं जो सेंटर में आते हैं दो numbers के. Between numbers. This is the picture of a caterpillar, and the caterpillar have the number 29-31. Which number come between 29 and 31 is 30. Very good. Now hurry up, take out your maths school workbook. Write date and day on the top of the page. 28th May 2021 is the date. Classwork, and the day is Friday. Write the numbers that comes before and after. You write the numbers that comes before and after. Okay? So 34 is the middle number. You write the before. Before is 33 and after is 35. Similarly, do this page. Then go to the next page. Write date and day on the top of the page. Jigsaw. Numbers between 0 to 100. Complete each jigsaw by filling in the missing between numbers. Now, write the between numbers. 73-75. Which number come between 73 and 75 is 74. Good. And which number come between 86 and 88? 87. Very good. Do this page. I think you can do it very well. Okay, largest one digit number. Always remember that the one-digit largest number is 9 and the smallest two-digit number is 10. Largest two-digit number is 99 and the smallest three-digit number is 100. Now ready the homework page. Write date and day. Is the right ascending order 100 to 129. So 100 is given. You will write 101, then 102, 103, 104, 105. Leave one box when you write 104 and at the end 109. Now write 110 on the top, then 111, 112 and so on. इसी तरह अब आपने 120 टॉप पे लिखना है एंड एट द लास्ट में आपने क्या लिखना है 129. Now I want to show you the flashcards of subtraction sums. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to what? 4. Very good. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Very good. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Very good. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Very good. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.